How can we change the size of the image in Pixelmator Pro? There are two ways. Method number one is to create a brand new document with that exact size you need. So we go for a paper size or type custom size over here for the exactly size that you need, and then click create. We'll get this a blank white document, and now we can drag and drop our image on the top of that. As you can see, the image is way larger than the document we make, so I move the slider to minus, I zooming out. I want to see those control points that I can push in and resize the image. And as you can see, the image is a bit taller. That's fine. I can kind of use this paper to crop part of it at the top. And now I got my image in exact size, and I can export that as a new JPEG or PNG. But most of us will load the image first. So let's try this method. So if you load the image first, you will get the default size of the image based on that file. How we can change that? We need to head to the top menu, to image menu, and there will be image size here that we can modify. We can change units, everything between pixels, meters, centimeters, and then we can put a new size here. So let's make it a bit smaller, maybe 50. As you can see, the height is adjusted based on that. So to maintain the same aspect ratio, I click OK, and I scale the image down. It's way smaller now. There's also another option to change the size of the canvas, not image itself. So the canvas is like the document. So if I make this document wider now, like 60, I did not stretch the image. I simply add extra space around it. Of course, there's always a crop tool for us to use from the tool panel on the right. That will allow us to modify the size of the image and also crop out some pixels that we don't need. You can see the size of it over here. I click OK, and I got a new size. That's how you can change the size of your image in Pixelmator Pro. I hope this short tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.